Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a button in the header in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website, you want to add the button in its header. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to add a button in this header section, it's simple. Just select the header or click on the header with your mouse, then click on edit header, go to the elements tab, and next to show button, enable this option like that. As you see, a button, it was added here. When you enable this option, it shows up. Now click on this edit button, and here you can edit the button text. For example, sign up to my newsletter. Here you can link this button to a page or to an existing page on your website, to an external address, to a specific section on any page of your website, to an email address, or even to a phone number or file download. For this page, for this video, I will link it to a page on my website, and let's select a page on my website. For example, this contact page. Here you can select between opening this button link in a new tab or not. Now let's edit this button design for the normal stage, which means this one. And when you click on hover, it means when the mouse cursor is on top of the button, this is its design. Let's start with the normal stage. I will select, for example, this orange color or this yellow color. Let's keep it orange. You can also adjust the button size, not the button size, the button text size, which makes the button bigger or smaller. Let's add a border, or let's pick a border color, for example, a darker yellow color. You can adjust the button border width from here, also the corner radius or the corner design. Now let's edit the hover stage, which means when my cursor is on top of the button. Before that, I forgot to edit the text color on the normal stage. I want it to be black. Now it shows up better. And let's edit the fill color on the hover stage to a little bit darker. Not this color. I think now it's good. The text color, I want to keep it black, and the border color also black, so it switched to this design. I think that's all for this button design editing. Close this window. Don't forget to update your website, and let's view my website live. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And let's view my website live. This is my new button in the Hostinger, and as you can see, when I hover with my mouse over it, it slightly change its design. If I click on it, I jump to my selected page. And this is how to add a button in the header in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.